Our solar system is a vast and wondrous place. It's filled with planets, moons, asteroids, and comets. Each one has a story to tell. Today, we journey to Jupiter, the largest planet in our cosmic neighborhood. Jupiter has a family of over 80 moons. Among them is a small faint moon called Erinome. Erinome is a mysterious world. It orbits Jupiter in the opposite direction of the planet's rotation. This makes it a retrograde moon. Erinome is also an irregular satellite. This means its orbit is far from Jupiter and highly elliptical. In this essay, we will explore the secrets of Erinome. We will learn about its discovery, its orbit, and its possible origins. This tiny moon provides us with a glimpse into the complex history of our solar system. Join me as we venture into the unknown and uncover the wonders of Erinome. Discovering a new moon is an exciting event, one that stirs the imagination and fuels the quest for knowledge. It's like finding a hidden treasure in the vastness of space, a beacon of light in the cosmic ocean. In the year 2000, a dedicated team of astronomers led by Scott Shepard made such a remarkable discovery. Using a powerful telescope at the Mauna Kea observatories in Hawaii, they spotted a faint point of light moving against the backdrop of stars, a tiny speck in the grand tapestry of the universe. This point of light turned out to be a previously unknown moon of Jupiter, a new addition to the giant planet's family. The discovery of Erinome was part of a larger, ambitious survey of Jupiter's outer moons, an effort to map the unseen. The team used a sensitive camera and sophisticated software to meticulously analyze images of the region around Jupiter, searching for any signs of movement. They were looking for faint objects that moved in ways consistent with being moons, a challenging task given the vast distances and faint signals. The discovery of Erinome was a testament to the power of modern astronomical techniques and the relentless curiosity of scientists. It also highlighted the fact that our solar system still holds many secrets waiting to be uncovered, mysteries that beckon us to explore further. The discovery of Erinome was a significant event in planetary science, marking a milestone in our understanding of the cosmos. It added to our understanding of the diversity and complexity of Jupiter's moon system, revealing new layers of celestial dynamics. It also provided new insights into the processes that may have shaped the early solar system, offering clues about the origins of our own planet and its neighbors. Erinome's orbit around Jupiter is a fascinating study in celestial mechanics. Unlike most of Jupiter's moons, which orbit in the same direction as the planet's rotation, Erinome moves in the opposite direction. This type of motion is called retrograde motion. It suggests that Erinome may have been captured by Jupiter's gravity rather than forming in its current orbit. Erinome's orbit is also highly elliptical. This means that its distance from Jupiter varies significantly over the course of its orbit. At its closest point, Erinome comes within about 14 million miles of Jupiter. At its farthest point, it swings out to over 17 million miles. Erinome takes about 777 Earth days to complete one orbit around Jupiter. During this time, it interacts gravitationally with Jupiter and its other moons. These interactions create a complex dance of celestial bodies, each one influencing the movements of the others. Erinome is not alone in its retrograde orbit around Jupiter. It is a member of a group of moons known as the Carme group. These moons share similar orbital characteristics. They are all thought to have originated from a common parent body that was captured by Jupiter's gravity billions of years ago. The Carme group is a diverse collection of moons. They range in size from a few miles to a few tens of miles in diameter. They also exhibit a range of colors and surface features. This suggests that they may have experienced different histories since their formation. The study of the Carme group is important for understanding the processes that shape the outer solar system. These moons are thought to be remnants of a population of objects that were scattered throughout the early solar system by the giant planets. Section 5. Unveiling Erinome's secret size, reflectivity, and composition. Despite its small size and distance from Earth, astronomers have been able to glean some information about Erinome's physical characteristics. Through meticulous observations and advanced technology, they have managed to capture essential data. Based on observations of its brightness, scientists estimate that Erinome is only about 2 miles in diameter. This tiny size makes it a fascinating subject of study, as it challenges our understanding of moon formation and evolution. This makes it one of the smallest moons in the Carme group. The Carme group itself is a collection of irregular moons that share similar orbits and characteristics. Erinome's surface is very dark, reflecting only a small percentage of the sunlight that falls on it. This darkness is a key feature that helps scientists infer its composition. This low reflectivity, known as albedo, is typical of many outer solar system objects. Albedo measurements are crucial for understanding the surface properties of these distant celestial bodies. It suggests that Erinome's surface is composed of dark, carbon-rich materials. These materials are often found in the outer regions of the solar system, indicating a primordial origin. Scientists can also learn about the composition of celestial objects by analyzing the light they reflect. This method provides a non-invasive way to study distant objects. This technique, called spectroscopy, reveals the chemical fingerprints of different materials. By examining these fingerprints, scientists can identify the elements and compounds present on Erinome's surface. Unfortunately, due to Erinome's faintness, detailed spectroscopic observations have been challenging to obtain. The moon's small size and low reflectivity make it a difficult target for precise measurements. However, based on its color and albedo, astronomers believe that Erinome is likely composed of a mixture of rock and ice, similar to other objects in the outer solar system. This composition hints at a complex history and formation process. Section 6. Erinome's name, a celestial nymph from Greek mythology. The discovery of a new celestial object is always an exciting event. It also presents the opportunity to choose a name that reflects its characteristics or significance. In keeping with the tradition of naming Jupiter's moons after figures from Greek and Roman mythology, the discoverers of this small moon chose the name Erinome. In Greek mythology, Erinome was a beautiful nymph. Nymphs were female nature spirits associated with specific locations such as springs, rivers, or mountains. They were often depicted as young women of great beauty and grace. The name Erinome was chosen for this distant moon because of its association with Jupiter. In some versions of the myth, Erinome was one of Jupiter's many lovers. This connection to Jupiter, along with the name's evocative sound and mythological significance, made it a fitting choice for this newly discovered world. Section 7. The myth of Erinome, love, loss, and transformation. The story of Erinome, like many Greek myths, is a tale of love, loss, and transformation. It is a narrative that has been passed down through generations, capturing the imagination of many with its poignant themes and dramatic turns. According to one version of the myth, Erinome was a nymph who captured the attention of Jupiter, the king of the gods. Her beauty was said to be unparalleled, and her grace unmatched, making her a figure of fascination and desire. Jupiter, known for his many amorous affairs, was smitten with Erinome's beauty and grace. He pursued her with a fervor that was characteristic of his legendary romantic escapades. However, their love was not meant to last. The forces of fate and the jealousy of others conspired against them, leading to a tragic end. Juno, Jupiter's jealous wife, discovered their affair and in a fit of rage transformed Erinome into a bird. Her wrath was swift and unforgiving, a testament to the intensity of her emotions. Some versions of the myth say that Erinome was transformed into a heron, a bird known for its long legs and graceful movements, symbolizing her elegance and poise even in her altered state. While others say she became a hawk, a bird of prey known for its sharp eyesight and powerful flight. This version emphasizes her strength and resilience even in the face of adversity. The myth of Erinome is a reminder of the power of mythology to explore complex human emotions, such as love, jealousy, and loss. These stories serve as a mirror to our own experiences, reflecting the highs and lows of the human condition. It also highlights the role of transformation in mythology, as characters often undergo physical or emotional changes as a result of their experiences. These transformations are not just literal but also metaphorical, representing the profound impact of their journeys. Section 8. Further explorations, unraveling more mysteries of Erinome. While we have learned some things about Erinome, many mysteries remain. Its exact composition, surface features, and internal structure are still unknown. Further observations with more powerful telescopes are needed to unlock these secrets. One of the most interesting questions about Erinome is its origin. Did it form in its current orbit, or was it captured by Jupiter's gravity? The answer to this question could provide valuable insights into the early history of the solar system and the processes that led to the formation of Jupiter's diverse moon system. Future missions to the outer solar system could provide an opportunity to study Erinome in more detail. A dedicated spacecraft could fly past Erinome, taking high-resolution images of its surface and measuring its gravitational field. These data would allow scientists to determine Erinome's mass, density, and internal structure, providing a more complete picture of this intriguing moon. Section 9. Conclusion. Erinome. A tiny world with a grand story. Erinome may be a small and distant world, but its story is a reminder of the vastness and wonder of the cosmos. Its retrograde orbit, its membership in the Carme group, and its mythological namesake all contribute to its allure. As we continue to explore the solar system, we can expect to uncover more secrets of these small icy worlds and gain a deeper understanding of the processes that shaped our cosmic neighborhood. Erinome's discovery is a testament to the power of human curiosity and our desire to explore the unknown. It is also a reminder that even the smallest and most distant objects in the universe can hold clues to the grand story of our cosmic origins. As we peer deeper into space, we can be sure that many more discoveries await us, each one adding a new chapter to the ongoing saga of cosmic exploration.